I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. I tell y'all. How you doing? Doing all right? I'm doing all right. It's another low pressure, low cloudy day. I don't know if we're getting rain or what we're getting. So anyway, woke up, my nose is just a running, and I'm trying to catch it. Anyway, so yeah, but it's gonna be a good day because I said so. We got pool tonight. Yeah, I'm still not awake yet, so I'm gonna let y'all go. I'll talk to you later. I just want to say good morning to you. Happy Thursday. Oh, happy Saturday. I hope you're getting to do some fun stuff with your family, and whether they're blood family or whether they're chosen family, because I got family like that. I've got two good friends, and they're like sisters, but we're not blood related. We just call each other sister anyway. You can call whoever you want to sister if you wanna. I do. I mean, we're brothers and sisters in Christ. So, by George, hang on. Got this little spot on my nail. I was catching. Oh, nope, I must not have caught it. It was catching on my shirt. Hang on. Every time you file something, you got to check it and see if you got it, because it's aggravating whenever you do. You file it and you think you got it, and got it. All right. Yeah. All right. It's 7:03. I have to be at work at 8 o'clock, and this is a 7-minute drive, so I got to hurry up. It's who I am. It's trash day. I took my trash out today. I'm bringing my chicken. I don't remember all the words that my Siri or my Alexa had used yesterday for what we got. It's chicken and bacon and egg Alfredo. It's fancy. And then I got my gelatin today. So, all right. I love you, people. We'll chit-chat later when I'm more awake. Y'all, I had to run home to get some broth. I was planning on tracking today, but I told y'all earlier, the pressure's down, my sinuses are draining. Not as bad as usual because I've got that cool spray, but I'm just feel blah. I've already been using cough drops. And I don't like eating them because I know even though they say sugar-free, there's still some hidden sugars in them. So I ran home and I picked up some broth, and I brought a mug, and I brought home 2 packages of broth. Bringing to work 2 packages of broth. So, like I said, I was going to track today, but I don't know how to track that stuff. So, anyway, I'll toss one of those in the freezer here at work. And the other one, I'll kind of beat it on something hard to kind of break it up into pieces. And then I'll put it in the microwave and warm it up. I just don't know how to track broth because it's homemade. So in mine usually is like if I've crock potted some meat. So there's usually bits of pieces of meat in it too. So I don't really know how to track that stuff. So, and I'm sure my calories will be over today. But anyway, so yeah. So I just wanted to let you all know that I ran home and picked up some broth. And I'm going to be sipping around on that today. So, like I said, I've just been scratchy throat. It's been scratchy for 2 weeks now. You know, I think I originally had assumed that it was from, and I'm sure part of it was, don't get me wrong. Part of it is from, you know, the pool league and being in that bar so long. I think that's how it started. But maybe could be a bug from the pool trip, you know, maybe a bug from some of the people, or it could just be, you know, because the clouds have been low and this is our rainy season right now. Usually by now it's warmer and stuff, but that's okay. I would rather it be this temperature than 110 degrees. So I am whining, but I'm not whining. Anyway, so I ran home and picked up some broth. So much relief. I'm about tired of this dad blasted weather. Now, it can just go on and clear out anytime it wants to. I can't help it. I'm whining. Shut it. I made me another slushie. I showed my coworkers, and a couple of them were like, send me the link to that. I'm like, you bet your bippy I will. I'm going to be like a official slushie maker. What I did yesterday is because it really does all freeze. And so, like to this ice, to just like snow cone like ice. And so what I did was I'd take a few big deep swigs and, excuse me. And then I would, I would add more liquid to it. It was good. Anyway, I'm not tired of this weather. We need to be able to sit outside in the sun. It needs to quit. All right. It's the same. It looks disgusting. It looks like a big old bowl of like gravy or something. Anyway, it's not. It's chicken and bacon and then 2 eggs and Alfredo sauce. Yeah, buddy. This is gonna be like, it's gonna be slap your mama Judy good. Just goes to show, there are other meats out there other than beef. Sometimes you might crave them, sometimes not. But also, you might feel like changing them up and not just having them plain Jane. So that's why you have things like the Alfredo. You can make it. You can go through and buy you some. If I made it, I would buy the that cheese. What's that cheese? The triangle cheese. Hang on. Laughing Cow cheese. I put a couple of those in there in a skillet and some heavy cream or just milk. Depends on what you want your calories to be. You can make your own Alfredo that way. That's delicious. I've done that before. You could saute up some onions and mushrooms. And then after they're almost done, put in some heavy cream or milk and let that kind of marry. I think that's the word you're supposed to use. Marry the flavors together. And then you could add some seasonings. And then whenever it's all, been married a little bit, you could put your chicken back in there. And you could put in the Laughing Cow cheese wedges. Yeah, so you can definitely make your own Alfredo. You ain't got to buy the kind that's got all kinds of stuff in it. But it's what I got. So I wanted to use it up. And it was open. So, all right. Love you, people. Oh, I got my Jell-O for today. It's green. What I did was I added my electrolytes. And then I did half a packet of one of my flavor enhancers. Just to give it some fun color. All right. Love y'all. Bye. Before I pull away, I drank that whole gallon bag of broth. Yeah, I've been thirsty today and just throat feels icky, but that's all right. It's all overcast. Anyway, so I drank all the broth. I had my gelatin and I had my coffee, which is the same like usual. And then my lunch that you all saw. So, I'm proud of myself. On my way out, somebody comes and has like a container and he's like, "You don't eat this, do you?" I had to pull my sunglasses up. I'm like, "What is it?" He said, "A pecan roll." I'm like, "Oh, like a cinnamon roll with pecans and chocolate icing?" No, but thank you anyway. But I said no. Oh, and I had my slushie, my Zevia slushie. So, yeah, it was a good day. I even while sick, my ears hurt so bad. I'm such a whiner, ain't I? Have you ever heard anybody whine as much as me? Well, too bad. You're going to keep hearing it. But I got pool league, so I'm going to let you all go. I'm going to call my mama and talk to her while I drive home. And I got to get the pups fed and get me fed and get to the pool. So I'll see you at supper. Bye. Hi. Got the order came in from Amazon. So I've worn this all. Oh, Terri. I've worn this already. It's like a, like a double necklace set. But I didn't have a gold cross. So I got that. And then it got me looking at my other. I didn't have any gold bracelets either. I mean, I have one, but it's like old in my great-grandma's, which is fine, but I just don't want to wear it out. And so it got me looking on Amazon for some other stuff to go with it. So I got these two really cute little stretchy bracelets. This one has a little cross on it, and this one has a butterfly. The cross says, faith does not make things easy. It makes them possible. And the butterfly says, symbol of courageous renewal from quiet change. Beauty takes flight. Let this butterfly whisper. Your resilience blooms. Your light guides the way. Where hope, like W-E-A-R, hope, inspire transformation. And then it even comes with this thing. Best wishes for you. Well, I guess that's if I was going to give it to somebody. And then a little sticker that says best wishes. So that came with it. But so I was like, okay, cool. I have gold earrings. They were my mama's. I kidnapped from her house. She knows it. And then I got to thinking, it's kind of hard to line these up. Like I said, they're supposed to be, where they're, like where it. Anyway, they're not lined up right. So I said, well, I need some gold or silver clasps. So a magnet kind that you can put on your jewelry. And then, when you're old and decrepit, you ain't got to try to, get everything together. So this came with 3 gold. So it's a little magnet. And I'll attach it. Hang on, let me see something. All right, so you connect it at the magnet. This isn't the length I'm going to finish it at, but, and then, oh my goodness gracious. So then you have your layered necklace. Like I said, I'm going to shorten it up. But then all you got to do is, boop, boop. So I wanted that, and like I said, it came with 3 silver and 3 gold of those little magnetic clasps. Let me put this back on. Come on, feller. Come on, get it together. And then, I'm excited about this one too. Obviously, I haven't opened it yet. Come on. I wanted another gold ring. I have the ones that I wear. Why? Obviously, I have not gotten it out to try it yet. Got it. I think I got it. Not made to take out this way. But I did it anyway. All right. Anyway, so, I have a cross silver necklace. It's a cross. And so I wanted one for this finger in gold. So, yeah. So I'm excited. I wanted, some gold stuff to be able to wear. So that is that. That's what came in today. So, all right. Well, time to eat. Okay. So I'm not having a creamy since I've had the broth and the and the gelatin and everything. I'm just having, this is 8 ounces of ground beef. And I figure since I'm taking my the meat sticks with me, that'll be plenty. So I cook this in a cast iron skillet. Good stuff. So yeah, so that's what I'm having for supper. And then I've got a coffee that I'll take, and then some meat sticks. So I got to get a move on. I love y'all. I got to leave in 30 minutes. Bye.